So let's get this unboxing started. We're gonna unbox Mr. Ugin's box here. Core 2021 collector booster. So it's a pretty small box. 12 packs here. And then in our hit list is a full art Teferi Ugin, full art Grim Tutor. It should be extended Azusa, and then a full art Liliana. So hopefully we get all those 5. So let's unbox this. 12 packs here. So this is the one coming from the left. This is the one coming from the right here. And to make this unboxing faster, we're gonna cut those tops off, so it's gonna be easy later on to open them up. So let's cut them pretty quick. Let's cut them pretty quick. Trying to maintain the same order where they are in, so at least we could have like basic mapping of where the spicy pools are. So and the last one here in the first row there. So let's return them in order. Oop. Let's clean this up. Let's open the second row here. I have only 19 minutes of memory time, so we should keep this video quick so we can show everything. And I hope you were able to open one of these collector booster box from your end. I'm seeing a lot of videos, they're pulling a lot of spicy pools from their end. So wishing you the best for your collector boxes as well. And hopefully we could do another unboxing video in the near future for the Double Masters VIP edition. It's smaller. So this one. Then let's return those. Okay. So first pack here. Let's see what we have. Let's see how they have ordered these things. So order of these things is like one foil token, and then we have the 4 uncommons here, the 2 foil uncommons, and then that's spicy foil showcase basic land, and then what should follow should be an extended art rare or mythic. So let's see what we have here. Idol of Endurance. And then after that should be the 2 foil rare mythics, but it could be standard or extended art. So let's see what we have. Foil Scavenging Ooze, and then a foil Niambi. No extended art there. And then 2 non-foil showcase, either common or uncommon. So we have Liliana's Steward here, and then a Liliana's Devotee, followed by a non-foil showcase rare mythic or a borderless rare mythic. Picking through is, I think this is the Terminator. So yeah, it's the Terminator. And then followed by a foil showcase, common or uncommon, or a borderless uncommon. Yep. So, and the last one should be Naruk's Harbinger. So nothing spicy, too spicy. So let's put the cards of some worth there. Perhaps the mountain. Let's just see how many mountains we're gonna pull from this. So that first pack is not really spicy at all. Moving to the next pack here. Let's see what we have. So again, the token. Okay. Again, the tokens are double-sided, by the way. So pirate, and then demon back there. So we're not gonna go through the comments there. Just showing you. 2 foil uncommon. The showcase land. Showcase foil showcase basic land there. And then what's the spicy card up next is extended art brush hunter. Nothing too spicy. Ooh, extended art sublime epiphany foil. Wow, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous. So let's put that here. And a foil Beto Torn of the Dark Scrolls. So let's just put it on the other side there. Or let's move the lands here. There we are, some oops. And then Garruk's Corehorn. No text at all. Chandra's Spiraling, Liliana's Standard Bearer, and then Teferi's Protege, and who do we have at the back? Ambassador's Acolyte. Another pack that stinks. So we have nothing on our hit list yet. Nothing at all. So let's check this next pack here. A zombie. And who's at the back? A soldier. Yep. So 4 uncommons. 4 commons. There you go. Nothing special there. Oops. What's that peeking behind there? 2 uncommons. Let's move that away. Foil showcase forest, basic forest, and an extended art fabled passage. Awesome. Nice art. The foil Subira Tulsidi Carboner, and a foil pack leader. Hopefully our camera is not acting up and we're able to see the cards clearly. And Chandra's Magmat, Teferi's Tutelage, a full art Scoozy Oozy. Let's place that here. And who do we have at the back here? Hello! Teferi's Ageless Insight Showcase Foil. Pretty good. Let's include you there. Then 4th pack in the first row here. Let's see. We have here Goblin Wizard, and In the back we have tonight the commons, the uncommons, and then swamp. And who's that peeking behind? It's Temple of Triumph. Nothing special there. Nothing special. Let's put that. Or is this a box topper? I think it's just a foil extended art transmogrify. So we go here and a foil Azusa, Lost but Seeking, but not really the one that we want in our hit list. We want that extended art Azusa, but pretty good still, pretty good. Garruk, Scorehorn, Liliana Steward, Basri's Lieutenant, Chandra Spiraling, and what's behind is a Garruk Scorehorn in its awesomeness. Another so packed there. So far not seeing anything of tremendous value, but let's go on. So bird token, and in the back we have a griffin. Yep. Okay, so the 4 uncommons there. Let's remove that. 2 uncommons. Full art, not full art, showcase, plains, foil. Yep, pretty good. And then I know what's in the pack. It's the Feline Sovereign extended art. Yep. Then Mr. Spider. Nothing to do there. Baron, Tolarian, Archmage, standard foil. Liliana Steward, Teferi's Protege, and Ugin showcase. Pretty good, pretty good. So Mr. Ugin showed up, but we're hoping for the extended art. So we'll put him here. And then behind the Scorehorn, I believe is another Garruk Scorehorn. Nope, a Cultivate foil. So far we have 1 mythic, I think, again. So let's see what we have on this next pack here. The pirate. Let's see what's on the back here. Demon. Are we experiencing the particular line? Yeah, I think it's in the packaging of this particular collector booster packs wherein the token is affected. There's a bit of a line here. I think it will not show on the camera, but it's there. But it's just token, so I think it's okay. So the 4 uncommons. There you go. The 2 uncommons. The showcase foil basic land, and I think behind there is either extended art transmogrify. No, volcanic salvo. Oh man, another volcanic salvo. God. And then this is cool. Discontinuity extended art foil. Pretty cool art. Nice art there. And then Basri's Solidarity, Magmut. Oh, I'm looking for this card. Chandra's Incinerator. I'm hoping to get a foil of this. I think it's pretty strong. It is pretty strong. Hoping to get a foil of this. So let's put that here. And behind is Is Mr. T behind the Ferris tutelage? Nope, a Pyreling. So another so-so pack. Let's just arrange this stack here back. So far, the only spicy pull we have is, I think, is Mr. Ugin here. Showcase. Hopefully these 6 packs here will bring us luck. So in our hit list, we haven't hit anything yet. So we have the bird token on the back. It's the Zeppelin. Some commons there. Ghost Life, Open Watchdog, the 2 uncommons, the showcase foil Swamp. Pretty cool art. Let's compare with the full art cards before. Just comparing. So, here's at the back, extended art. Ghostly Pilferer, foil Discontinuity, Thieves Guild Enforcer, a Gorehorn, Chandra's Pyreling, a full art Containment Priest, pretty nice art. Avatar like. Then who's at the back here? Is this Mr. T already? No, it's a Liliana's Devotee and Basri's Lieutenant here. Nothing spicy. Again, nothing spicy. Oh, so last 5 packs there. Hopefully, we're gonna get something good. So far, just that Ugin there, Mr. Ugin showcase. No extended art Ugin yet, or extended art Mr. T. So beast token on the back. You have a construct. Wow, it's a pretty cool looking token. So the 4 uncommons. 2 uncommons. Again, that mountain foil showcase. Temple of Mystery, so-so card. Then a foil hooded Blightfang extended art. A Baneslayer Angel. Paris Protege, Mastery's Acolyte, and there you go, an extended art Massacre Burn. Not bad, not bad. Looks like he's smiling as well. Liliana Stewart, and behind Liliana Stewart is Mr. T. Nope. This the Paris Protege. Oh my god. Look at that. Just 4 packs left. Let's see what we have here. Angel token. And a knight in the back there. And the 4 commons. The 2 uncommons. The showcase foil basic land. Oh, that border there for the forest is really looking cool. Then Necromancia extended art. So we got 2 minutes to unpack these 3 packs here. So Have that. Yeah, there you go. Asusa, Foil Heroic Intervention, Teferis Ageless Insight, Liliana Steward, Cultivate, put that there, Teferis Ageless Insight, and Liliana Steward and Liliana's Devotee. Then these 2 packs here, the Doggo there, Liliana Steward, Small Blackwater, Goblin Wizard Team, Short Sword, Sanctum, Foil Mountain, Sublime Epiphany, Chandra Heart of Fire, Volcanic Salvo, Bastar's Acolyte, Ferris Protege, and there you go, Liliana. Very happy for that, and a Bastar's Cat. Then last pack here, Beast, the 4 commons, Wildwood Scourge, Pains, Discontinuity, Temple of Mystery, Double Vision, Baroque Uprising, and nada there. So thank you guys, please like the video.